A brief Enrole demo. When staff log in to Enrole, their first view is the Sales Desk homepage. This displays a summary of the most recent people and orders, upcoming sessions, and tasks assigned to you. In any of these quadrants, you can view more to see beyond the most recent 7. All hyperlinks in the quadrants will take you directly to person, company, order, session, facility, or task. The homepage is designed to give you quick access to the most recent information, and you can customize your quadrants to suit your job needs. The handiest thing I like about Enrole is that you can have multiple carts in progress at the same time, which is helpful if you are already processing a registration when a student walks in or you take a call, and you don't have to ditch the entire cart and start all over again later. You just create another. There are many ways to add people and sessions to the cart. To register a person in a session and therefore create an order, there are Add to Cart buttons on the Persons and Sessions from the home page. You can search for persons and sessions from the left menu, as well as going directly to the cart and searching from the search options on the right of the page. You can register many people with multiple sessions and mix and match who is taking what. You can also choose from multiple fees. Let's switch to another cart in progress. Discounts can be set up and applied both in-house and online, and will give you a message when a person, company, or session qualifies or not for that discount. Many forms of payment, such as cards, check, and cash, are accepted, or you can choose to set some courses to allow registration without payment. It's flexible and up to you how you wish to set this all up. When you place a registration, later it will show up on the sales desk under recent people and as a recent order. Now that we've placed an order, let's switch gears from registration to creating courses and sessions. At the top of the screen, you'll see several tabs. We're going to look at the Events tab next. Here you'll also get a dashboard view of things that are upcoming or recently created and modified. This section is all about course or program management of sessions, instructors, facilities, and contains all the items needed to appear on your e-commerce cart for student self-enrollment. There's an event wizard to help you create sessions, which is especially helpful for the first few times. Using the left menu, you can search for several items. Your course will hold information such as the title, description, categories, minimum payment allowed online, showing the waitlist position, cancellation charge, GL account codes, and more. And then from the left menu, you can add prerequisites and CEUs. The statistics boxes appear everywhere on every object. So in the course object, you can see a summary of the sessions that have been created for this course. Each course will have many sessions, but each will have a unique ID. On the session level, you set many different pieces of information, such as ID, status, if it's to be shown on the web, when that begins and ends, and the course that it's attached to. The scheduled dates and times, the instructor, the venue, min and max capacities, contact hours, selecting a confirmation email template relative to that course. If it's a Blackboard, Moodle, Canvas, LMS course, and UDFs that collect additional information. On the left menu, you can edit the schedule, add expenses, pricing, instructors, add sub-sessions, or even copy the session. The Security tab is where you create and inactivate users, change their permissions or group, and maintain what groups have permissions. In the User tab, you can search for a user or create a new one, give them login credentials and a group. In the Group tab, you can control the permission settings for each group based on their roles within Enrole. If a permission is granted to the group, the user will be able to see it. Most of the items in the Setup tab are done during the implementation phase, so you shouldn't have to revisit too often, except possibly for UDFs. User-defined fields help you collect information that is not standard. You can have as many or as few as you need. You can set UDFs on 7 different files. You can set these to be required when a person registers online, so they can't complete their order without answering them. And code files are used for drop-down selections. During training, we edit some of these to help you get started. These are helpful to be used as part of a user-defined field, so that you don't have t-shirt sizes written in 5 different ways, which then makes reporting a lot easier too, using that drop-down option. Discounts and promo codes can be set up in a variety of ways to include or exclude people, companies, sessions, courses, or promotions as a dollar amount or a percentage, with a few other limits and conditions as well. You can also view and track the orders that have been processed under that discount code in the statistics box and under orders on the left menu for more detail. The general ledger are your chart of accounts codes. During implementation, your project manager would assist in getting these imported for you, but you can also add more later as you need by the onesies. The majority of utilities are for database housekeeping, such as merging person and company records. We make every attempt to lower the chances of having duplicate people or company records, but duplicates inevitably will happen, and when they do, you have the tools that you need to make that process easy. Using Mass Session Update, you can easily change the status of many sessions at once to another status. Your department might need to invoice for a service or a product. Miscellaneous invoice and miscellaneous products help you create proposals and ultimately invoices for things that do not fall under the usual realm of training or courses. When you purchase Enrole, you receive all the portals and external resources included. You will not outgrow this system, but you will grow into it over time. You access the portals by clicking on the stack of papers icon. The light bulb gives you 24/7 access to documentation, such as how-to guides, FAQs, videos, system alerts, and the ability to submit a Zendesk support ticket. So that's the Enrole database in a nutshell, and we only covered a fraction of the capabilities of this robust and feature-full registration software. If you have other questions or would like a personalized demo of the system, please go to intrinsic.com/enrole and request a demo. Don't forget to check out the e-commerce cart and other portal videos as well. Cheers for now, and call me soon.